tell you much more about these three topics and also going to show you practically. So let's start. So first we'll discuss about sedimentation and decantation. What is sedimentation? Sedimentation is the process when a water which contains sand, mud and rocks, for example, it is a dirty water which contains bad impurities, and I have put this water in a container, and for a while these impurities are settled down on the bed of the container like this, and from this sedimentation process is finished. I'll also explain in Hindi. जब कोई गंदा पानी होता है जो कि मड, स्टोन्स और सैंड अपने अंदर कंटेन करता है, तो उस पानी को जब हम किसी कंटेनर में डालकर थोड़ी देर छोड़ देते हैं, तब जो उसके अंदर बैड इम्प्योरिटीज होती हैं वो उसके सतह पे बैठ जाती हैं, तो यहाँ पर सेडिमेंटेशन प्रोसेस खत्म हो जाता है. एंड देन व्हाट इज डिकैंटेशन? जब ये बैठ जाती हैं बैड इम्प्योरिटीज बेड पे, तब जो फिल्टर्ड वाटर होता है जो ऊपर आ जाता है, तो उस फिल्टर्ड वाटर को जब हम दूसरे कंटेनर में डालते हैं, शिफ्ट इट ऑन अनदर कंटेनर, that is called decantation without disturbing the settled impurities. That is called the decantation. I will show you. Like my bad impurities are settled down and filtered water is up, and I am going to pour this in another container without disturbing the settled impurities, and I have poured it like this, and the impurities are settled down and the filtered water is here. You can also drink this water after boiling. Then comes filtration. जैसा कि हमने अपनी बुक में देखा है that through instruments we filter the water, but I'll show it by doing it naturally. जैसे कि रिवर्स फिल्टर होती हैं वैसे ही मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी. So for this we need this activated charcoal, pebbles, this fine sand and this coarse sand, and a collective jar. So let's arrange them. And I have arranged it like this. Then it comes, this is the sample 1, the mud water, and this is the sample 2, turmeric mixed water. And these containers shows the result of these both samples. This is the sample 2 result and this is the sample 1 result. So first we'll see sample 1. So I'm pouring this muddy water in my filter, and as you can see, the water is coming out from here, and it will reach here, and it has reached here, and the clean water will be here. So friends, as we can see, the water is filtered and it's here, and now we'll see the sample result. So this is sample 1 result, and it is filtered very well, you can see, and you can also drink it by boiling this. And now we'll see with the turmeric water. Now I'm pouring this turmeric water in my filter, and it's coming out. As you can see, the turmeric water is also filtered, and and it is also very well filtered. This is sample 2 result. As you can see, these both results you can even drink after boiling them. So if you have these sands, you can also try this at your home. And I think you have enjoyed these experiments and my explanations.